Good evening. We're going to start with Module 2, Lesson 6, Multiply with Regrouping by Using Place Value Strategies and the Distributive Property. 9 tens, 3 ones, 15 tens, 6 ones, 12 tens, 18 ones. These are all in unit form. Tens, instead of saying 90, we say 9 tens, 3 ones, 15 tens, 6 ones. These are unit form. And if we want to change that into standard, as a standard looking number, we would say that 9 tens is really 90 and 3 ones is 3. So this would be 93. Over here is 15 tens. Well, what's 15 tens? 15 times 10, 150. So basically what we had to do is we had to rename 1 10, 10 tens, 10 tens is really equal to 100. And this is why this number turned into 100. We have a 3-digit number compared to this one being a 2-digit number. Then we have 6 ones would be 6, and this would be 156. 12 tens is, again, it's the same thing. If we pull out 10 tens, we know that this is going to be 100. So if we pull it out of here, this is going to be now 100, and then we add on the 120. 12 times 10 is 120. Plus the 18 ones, if we add these up together, we're going to get 138. 3 times 46. If we use the distributive property, this could help. One way is helping us solve this. Just like we use the place value charts, the area models, the distributive property is another way to solve the multiplication problem. So if we take 3 times 46 and we distribute that, we take 3 times 4 tens would give us 12 tens, plus 3 times 6 ones would give us 18 ones. So what is really 12 tens? We pull out that 10 tens, the 10 tens, and that's going to give us that 100. And then we're left with the 2 tens, which is 20, plus 18 ones is just 18, and we're going to get 138. 4 times 23. Okay, so we're going to be using the place value chart along with the distributive property, taking all that out. So let's separate our 23. Okay, so we've got 3 ones and we have 2 tens. But now I need to make 4 groups of this. So we need to make another group here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So that's 2 groups. Now we're on our 3rd group. And then we're on our 4th group. All right. Now what we have to do is we have to pull out that 10 that we see in our ones. So over here we've got, here's our 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to pull out this group of 10 and we're going to bring it over here and cash this in for another 10. So now we're left with 2 ones and how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 tens over here. So this is 90. This is 9 tens, which is 90, and we have 2 ones. So it looks like this one would be equal to 92. So if we check it all along over here with our distributive property, we're going to take our 4 groups and multiply it and separate that 23. So we have 2 tens plus the 3 ones. All right, so let's distribute that 4. So now we have 4 times 2 tens plus our 4 times 3 ones. Okay, so what is 4 times 2 tens? Well, we got 8 tens. Plus, how many ones do we have? We have 12 ones. So 8 tens is really just saying 80 plus the 12, which would give us 92. And look at how nice that funnel looks. Beautiful. So we get a 92 over here using our place value chart and our discs. And using the distributor property, we get a 92 coming out of our funnel. All right, our next one, 3 times 26. Let's, using our place value chart, I'm going to separate that 6, the ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many tens do I have? I have 2. And this is telling me I need to make 3 groups of it. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 tens. All right. Now I need to count these and see how many, if I have any 10 ones, and I'm definitely going to have that. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here is our group of 10. And I'm going to cash that in for another 10. All right, so what do we have left here? Well, we already used up these ones. Don't need those anymore. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 ones. And then how many tens do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens. So we know that 7 tens is really just 70. 8 ones is just 8, which would give us a product of 78. All right, so if we go over to the distributive side, we're going to say 3 groups of is multiplication. And we say we have 3 times 2 tens plus 6 ones. All right, let's distribute that 3. And once we distribute it, we're going to get 3 times 2 tens plus 3 times 6 ones. All right, now we can multiply. 3 times 2 tens, well, we get 6 tens plus 3 times 6 ones is 18 ones. All right, so 6 tens is really just 60 plus the 18 ones is just 18, which was giving us 78. Nice funnel. Get 78 distributive, 78 with using the place value discs. Our next one is 4 times 34. Now, if you're looking at this, you're probably saying, what is going on? Because right here, we just added another section to our place value chart. We added the hundreds. So that means that we're going to get another 10 tens in here to make it 100. So let's start breaking this up. How many ones do we have? We have 4 ones. How many tens? We've got 3 tens. No hundreds yet, but that doesn't mean it's not there. They're coming. How many sections? How many rows? We're going to need 4 of it. So we have 1. And here's our second row, our third, and our fourth. Okay, and how many tens? We're going to need, this is our second row of tens, third row of tens, and our fourth row of tens. We need to extend our chart. All right, now it's our job to find the 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. So now we're going to group these 10 ones, and we're going to cash them in for a 110. So how many ones do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 ones left. All right, let's see if we can group them to make it 100. We need 10 tens. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. There's our 1010, which we're going to cash in for 100. So we used all these ones. We used these 1010s to make our 100. How many tens do we have? We have 3 tens. And we have 100. All right, so 100 is just really 100. Plus how many tens? 3 tens is 30. 6 ones is 6. So this would equal 136, the product of 4 times 34. All right, now looking over here on this side, we got the distributive property. And the distributive property, we're going to do 4 groups of 34. So we do 3 tens plus 4 ones. All right, let's distribute that 4. So we're going to distribute the 4, and we're going to say 4 times 3 tens plus 4 times 4 ones. And now we can multiply. 4 times 3 tens, you get 12 tens. Ooh, I see a 1010 in there that we have to pull out to make 10 times 10 is 100. And then we have over here, we have 16 ones. And I see a 10 in there that we'd have to pull out and regroup. So 12 tens is really just 12 times. We pull out that 10 tens. We're going to get that 100. How many tens are we left with? 2, which is really 20. And then we have 16 ones. So this is 120 plus 16 is 136. Nice. Funnel. All right. Good job. Moving on. Sometimes you have to tell yourself, I'm a shark, and attack the day. What a great thing. Just face that challenge. All right, guys. Attack these next 2 problems, and you got this. 4 times 35. Please bring in your place value charts and your distributive property work. I want to see these 2 things tomorrow. Please do that so I know that you're practicing these 2 strategies. If you do, you'll level up. Last one, 3 times 24. Again, I want to see these 2 strategies being done. Please bring them in to school tomorrow. Place value chart and your distributive property work. Then you get to level up. Good job, human. High five. Great job tonight, guys. We'll practice these strategies again tomorrow. Have a wonderful night.